Chapter 5 of Brave New World by Aldous Huxley is split into two distinct sections, each exploring different aspects of the dystopian society Huxley has envisaged. The chapter seamlessly integrates themes of death, sexuality, religion, and societal control, showing the depth of the world state's influence on individuals' lives. The first part of the chapter follows Lenina and Henry as they conclude an evening spent playing obstacle golf. They embark on a helicopter ride, during which they fly over several significant sites, including Burnham Beaches and the Slough Crematorium. The conversation between the two touches on the concept of death and the societal practice of phosphorus recovery, a process by which the dead are used to fertilize the soil, thereby remaining socially useful. This discussion reveals Lenina's inherent class prejudices, particularly against the epsilon class, considered the lowest and least intelligent due to their genetic engineering. The destination for the evening is the Westminster Abbey Cabaret, a night spot fashioned from a place of historical and religious importance. Here, under an artificially created tropical sunset and amidst the consumption of soma, a drug that induces happiness without hangovers or side effects, they dance to the Malthusian blues. This setting, alongside Lenina's careful remembrance to take her contraception, highlights the state's manipulation of emotion, perception, and even historical and cultural sites to maintain control over its citizens. The second part shifts focus to Bernard Marx, as he flies to participate in the Fordson Community Singeries Solidarity Service, a quasi-religious event that ends in a communal sexual experience termed orgy porgy. This section contrasts sharply with the frivolity of Lenina and Henry's outing. Although both scenes involve soma consumption and a form of ritual, Bernard's experience at the Solidarity Service is fraught with his feelings of isolation and disillusionment. Despite participating in the motions, Bernard feels disconnected from the supposed unity and ecstasy experienced by his peers. He is more aware of his individuality and separateness than ever before. This chapter skillfully contrasts the different facets of the world state's mechanisms for maintaining control: recreational sex, the use of soma, the repurposing of religious and cultural practices, and the instilling of class prejudices from a young age. It also highlights Bernard's growing dissatisfaction and unease within this society, setting the stage for his role as a critical outsider as the story progresses. Huxley uses these scenes to explore the implications of a society that has eradicated individuality, historical consciousness, and genuine human connections in favor of stability and superficial happiness. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. Make sure to check out my channel for the complete chapter-by-chapter summary playlist.